Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we are all gearing up for the new year, here is another small fridge organization and cleaning video. So let's begin. So this is the fridge that we have in our apartment, and this is how it looks from outside. As you can see, everything is scattered around. It's not all organized and it definitely needs a good cleaning. It's always better to clean up your fridge before the next grocery shopping so that you'll know what needs to be bought and which vegetable you don't want to repeat this week, etc. So firstly, I'm gonna remove everything that is there in the fridge, empty it completely and then start with the cleaning. So this is how the fridge looks once I've completely emptied it. And this is all the stuff that was in the fridge. So for the first part of the cleaning, I have just taken a paper towel and I'm going to just clean it without applying any cleaning agent. For the next part of the cleaning, I am using multi-surface bleach agent and a cloth. So this is how the fridge looks after a thorough round of cleaning. I have put paper towel on the bottom so that it's easier to clean the next time. I have placed non-slip liners for the bottom two shelves of the fridge. I got these from Dollar Tree and they are just $1 each. There is nothing much in the freezer as I cook vegetarian at home. There's just some frozen coconut and some potato pops, french fries and ice cream. So this is how the clean fridge looks after proper organization. I'll quickly go through how I have placed things in the fridge. The top shelf is the coolest shelf, so here I've placed cream, cheese, eggs, and also the dry fruits and berries. Here I've placed dry coconut, which I use for my cooking. Below that is where I always place idli, dosa or pesarattu batter for the week. And next to it I have some coriander, ginger, green chilies, curry leaves. This is where I place them. In the below shelf I have the fruit basket and salad basket. I don't prefer bringing too many fruits at one go. I like to bring once in every 3 days. In the salad basket I just pull out this whole basket and my salad dressing, and I'm good to go. Below them is where I store the veggies, and I buy veggies enough for 4 days or 5 days. And this side I have stored the tomatoes and brinjal. And in the side door on the top is where I have stored the cheese slices and the butter. Below that is the jam and some chaat which I use for making bhel puri sometimes. Red chili sauce and soya for Chinese, pickles, chocolate syrup, tomato sauce. And below that is where I have milk and yogurt. I just have 2 flavors and plain yogurt. Next to it is the salsa for nachos. The last section is the salad and pasta sauce section. Here I have vinaigrette dressing, white wine vinegar, mayo, and 2-3 types of pasta sauce. So this is how I organize and clean my fridge. Hope you got some tips as well. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Do follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to watch more such videos. See you in my next. Bye bye.